Welcome back to the channel. Looking for the best Android emulator for your PC in 2025? In this video, I'll share the top 3 emulators for every type of PC, low-end, mid-range, and high-end, so you can find the perfect match for your system. First up, for low-end PCs, the best choice is Momo Nebula. This emulator is specially designed to run smoothly even on systems with just 4 GB RAM and no dedicated graphics card. It offers high FPS, solid performance, and compatibility with mobile players. Though it's still in beta and based on Android 7, it's lightweight and definitely worth a try if you're on a budget. If it doesn't work well with your games, you can also check out the stable Momo player with Android 12 support. Next, for mid-range PCs, go with LD Player. It's one of the best alternatives to BlueStacks and is optimized for systems without a powerful GPU. LD Player relies more on CPU usage, making it ideal for users with around 16 GB RAM and a decent processor. It runs on the latest Android version and gives a smooth, lag-free gaming experience. Plus, the interface is very similar to BlueStacks. And finally, for high-end PCs, the ultimate choice is BlueStacks 5. If your system has a powerful CPU, 32 GB RAM, and a dedicated GPU, nothing beats BlueStacks in terms of stability, performance, and compatibility. It supports Android 11 and even Android 14 in beta. I personally seen it with 16 GB RAM and a 2 GB AMD Radeon GPU, and it runs games like PUBG flawlessly. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel for more useful content, and hit the notification button as well. See you in the next one.